Through this video, we will be demonstrating the process of donning and doffing. The current pandemic of COVID-19 infection has posed tremendous challenges to the healthcare workers, and the biggest risk is of getting infection from the patient themselves. Now, to protect themselves, they must wear personal protective equipment, and our team of Dr. Rashmi and Mr. Ramchandra will be demonstrating the steps of donning and doffing.
Donning should be done away from COVID ward in a designated area. Remove all jewelry, artifacts and accessories. Change into clean hospital scrub and wear closed, washable footwear, and then perform hand hygiene with soap and water. Then wear first pair of gloves. After that, wear plastic sheet and then examine the coverall suit. First wear leg sleeves, then arm sleeves and zip up. Wear N95 mask in which lower strap is placed first below the ear and then upper strap is placed above the ear, and check that air leakage should be minimal. Place the goggles over eyes and adjust to fit. Wear hood over the head, fit face shield over the face. After that, wear second pair of gloves and cover the sleeves of gown inside the gloves, and then enter the COVID area. Doffing should be done in a designated area with 2 chairs, that is one clean and one dirty, and must have waste bins. Before doffing, check for any tear or damage to the dress. Inspect PPE for any visible contamination. If any contamination is visible, clean it with spirit swab. After that, disinfect gloves inside out. Remove the outer gloves and discard in the designated bin. Now disinfect the inner pair of gloves. Remove the face shield and discard in the labeled bin. Disinfect the hands. And remove the hood and slide it back. Unzip the coverall and slide it below and pull arms out, and then the legs of the coverall. And then discard in the designated bin. Disinfect the inner gloves and then remove the plastic sheet. Pull away from neck and shoulders, turning plastic sheet inside out, and fold or roll into a bundle and discard in a waste container. And after that, disinfect the gloves. Remove the goggles by lifting the earpieces and throw it in a designated bin. Disinfect the inner gloves and then remove the inner gloves. Perform hand hygiene with all the 6 steps. Wear a new pair of gloves and remove the face mask without touching the outer surface. First remove the lower strap and then the upper strap. Disinfect the gloves again. Sit on clean chair and disinfect shoes with alcohol swab. Disinfect the gloves. Remove the last pair of gloves and discard it in the bin. Perform hand hygiene again. Walk over the sodium hypochlorite doormat and leave the COVID area.
Each step of the donning and doffing has to be followed in the sequence it has been demonstrated. it's only then that the healthcare worker can be safe from getting the infection himself. Thank you.